Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in today's episode, we're going to be checking out the Reef Finance token. It's currently listed on Binance as Reef, and it's trading at 2.7 cents. Well, it's a cheap coin, so definitely one of those, Tron slash Verge coins that you might add to your wallets. And at this point, for the past 24 hours, it has been trading like crazy, $203 million in trades in the past 24 hours, which is quite big for a small coin. So for those of you that don't know what the Reef is, well, let's just read just a little bit about it. So it's a Polkadot based multi-chain smart yield engine and liquidity aggregator. Basically, as you can see on their website, it is a decentralized finance coin that makes it easy to be on the DeFi platforms. So accessing DeFi liquidity across blockchains. So gain smart DeFi exposure with interoperability across multiple blockchain ecosystems. For those that don't know what this means, interoperability means to be on the cross-chain, meaning that you can easily trade coins that are not based on the same blockchain type, such as the Ethereum or the Bitcoin or a stablecoin, etc. So the Reef chain integrates with decentralized finance from Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, Cosmos, and the Binance Smart Chain. This is basically what they mean. Yes, they do have an interesting website, but do not judge a coin by its cover. It's important to understand the back end of the coin. So as you can see, there are large integrated partners for the Reef, which is great. Okay, so introducing the Reef chain. Reef chain is an EVM compatible chain for decentralized finance. It is fast, scalable, has low transaction costs, and does no wasteful mining. It is built with Polkadot substrate and comes with on-chain governance, which is great for those that are doing mining. Solidity, liquidity bridge, Reef staking, community governed. You can check out a little bit more details on their site. So join the ecosystem. They want you to enter your emails so that you get a little bit of updates. This is how they build their community. And by the way, speaking of their community, they've got quite a following. As you can see on their Twitter account, $168,000, 168,000 followers, I'm sorry. It looks like it has been around since only a year, which is great because we've reviewed tons of altcoins, and even after 4 years, they only have like 28,000 followers. So basically, the Reef is gaining traction, and it is actually proved right here. Inside of the BSC scan site, you can see that the holder addresses, it's currently at 57,000, which is booming nonstop. As you can see, it just keeps on growing, and more people are getting this coin and at a stable pace. So there is no whales in here, at least for now. It's really, really stable. And you see that the market cap is at 192 million. So there's definitely some funding to this coin. Now, if we get back to their website and understand the platform just a little bit more, so you can see that the Reef 20 tokens and NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, you can see that you can create your own tokens or port existing tokens onto the Reef chain. This is great. It's just like, if you remember the Wave coin, it's pretty much the same thing. You can use the Wave to create your own tokens, but you can't use it to create NFTs. So liquidity bridges, so you can wrap existing tokens and transfer liquidity from Ethereum to Reef chain. So this is coming soon. They didn't do it yet. They're too busy making their website extremely beautiful, as you can see. There's also a decentralized exchange and AMMs. For those that don't know what the AMM stand for, here you go. It basically means an automated market maker. It's a system that provides liquidity to the exchange it operates in through automated trading, basically a bot. So let's go back to the website. All right, so you got the trade any Reef 20 asset on decentralized exchanges. And this is really cool, right? Because let's say that you're creating some token that is a Reef 20 token and you want to trade it on some decentralized exchange. Well, you can do that and This makes it extremely easier for anyone to raise money via ICOs, which are initial coin offerings, right? So stable coins and money markets hedge against volatility and earn interest on your stable coin holdings. This is the trend right now. I do not know where there's an octopus for this feature though. All right. It's also built with the Polkadot substrate, meaning that they've used the Polkadot code in order to create their own token. So Reef Chain features next-gen blockchain technology utilizing nominated proof-of-stake consensus, which is, in my opinion, the best consensus mechanism for the cryptoverse. Basically, for those who don't know what proof-of-stake means, it just means that the founders are holding onto their coins, they're staking them in order to prove that they're believing in these coins, and thus there's a price stabilization and they won't be dumping these coins and generate these huge falls in prices, pumps and dumps, and all of these non-legit types of waves on specific blockchains. So EVM extensions, on-chain upgradability, lib peer-to-peer networking, and state-of-the-art cryptography. So, of course, state-of-the-art cryptography, that's pretty much what every chain out there is trying to offer. So governed by the Reef decentralized finance community. So there's the community, you got whales, you got dolphins, you get little fishes like me and you. And you can see the Reef tokens just sitting there waiting to be exchanged. Definitely a beautiful website, if only they worked a little bit more on the features instead of their site. So nominated proof of stake. This is great, so we need to read this. Validators are elected by nominators via nominated proof of stake. At the end of every block production era, fragment validator, Jesus, elections are held. My tongue is getting twisted here. There's also fee burns. So Reef Chain incentivizes technological progress in regards to scalability by removing fee market politics. And there's also upgradability. Reef Chain is self-upgradable through the community elected technical council. And also you got governance rewards, which means stake Reef tokens and earn rewards for participation in Reef governance. So when you are a governor in the Reef world, you get yourself percentages, very small percentages, but you still get to earn. So you can join the community on their website. And if we check out their roadmap, you can see it's really interesting. I'm not going to go into the 2019. I'm going to get into the 2021 quarter one. So you can see that they're doing Git hub opening for their source. Well, you know what? If you want more details, just head on to their website, check out what they have in stock. They have a lot of things going on. It's definitely a very legit coin. At least they hired a beautiful graphic designer for it. Hopefully that their designers are as good as their developers. All right, so you can check out their blog. And these are the investors, huge investors. We're talking about large players in the VC game, all the way from the United States to China. Okay, so if you want to learn more a little bit about them, you can check it out. But let's have a look at their Twitter account. So you can see that the DeFi blockchain for EVM decentralized app builders, biddle now. They meant build now, but it's okay. Okay. You also have an interesting update right here. So stay tuned for more news about projects joining the Reef ecosystem and how they're expanding decentralized finance adoption. So this is the part 4 of their update. You also have the significant milestone will empower developers to unleash the true potential of decentralized apps. Moving forward, we will dive into the intricate details regarding implementation, dynamics, and growth prospects. The release of Mainnet Canary is another innovative decentralized finance platform that will revolutionize this financial space. So they're going to give us more details regarding this in further updates. This is quite exciting. So with this new release, we hope to broaden decentralized finance adoption and add more tools for you to use in the Reef basket. Now get ready, as the Canary version of Reef Chain Mainnet will be live in just one day. So this is what is pumping, guys. Because of this, the price might actually go up. So let's just have a look at the pricing right now so that we can understand where this coin is going. If we look at the month pipe, it has been on Binance since approximately 7 months. And here's the thing, when a coin is new, it's rather dangerous to make an investment. As you can see, there has been a huge drop by the founders right here. They have been dumping this coin like crazy because the ICO on Binance's platform, you get tons of people in the order book, and this dumps the price like crazy. So let's just zoom in a little bit to understand if this is a great opportunity right now as of May 28th. And also let's explore the long-term prediction for the pricing for this coin. All right, so let's have a look. It has been bearish for quite a while, and this has been actually, let me just zoom into the daily. Okay, yeah, perfect. This is much easier for us to understand. So the past few days have been extremely bearish. So the people that have invested at 5 cents unfortunately lost almost 25% of their earnings, or even, sorry, 50% of their earnings. This is unfortunate because right now it's trading at 2 cents and it's probably going to be, dropping a little bit lower onto this, low support level. It's sad, but what can we do? Still, if you're holding on to the Reef coin, you can actually wait for it to hit that 2 cent mark so that you don't lose 40% of your worth. I would definitely get it at this price point so that you can pump it up onto this support level right here that you can clearly see. It's at 5.5 cents to the dollar. So this would be definitely a great investment, but you have to wait a bit for it to drop below the 2.3 cent mark. This is what I would recommend. So basically that way you could see a 2x return. Let's say that you purchase it at 20 cents and it hits within, I'd say 6 more days, the 5.5 cent. Well, you can easily do the 3 to 4x here because there is this support level that is extremely high compared to what it is at right now. So definitely a good investment on the long run, and it's affordable also. So you can buy tons of it and just, trade it in a very shy fashion, meaning that you can, for example, only stake 50% of your coins on Binance instead of staking 100% when you're doing the tradings. So guys, if you want me to teach you how to flip coins on Binance, I do this daily. I make anywhere from 30 to 40% on a daily basis by doing little compound flips. I will be releasing videos regarding this in the very near future, so be sure to subscribe and I will teach you how to do that. So until then, let me know if you want me to cover any other coins, or if you want me to go in a much more in-depth analysis of the Reef Finance coin. I would be glad to do so for you guys. So guys, see you in the next episode and good luck. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. I am a crypto enthusiast and I've been on the market since 2017. I love to talk about crypto and can't wait to talk about the next coin in the next episode. See you guys.